Hello and welcome to Sri Balaji Academy. In this video, we will be discussing about the revised and updated syllabus of science for 2021 board examinations. The topic-wise details of the related portions as well as the revised syllabus as per 10th Science NCERT has been discussed. Here is the overview of all chapters and their status for this current year. The chapters with no changes are marked in brown, the reduced ones in pink and the deleted ones in red. So in total there are 8 chapters in which there are no changes. 5 chapters there are reduction in portions and 2 chapters are entirely deleted. And those are control and coordination and sources of energy. Fine. So these 2 chapters you don't have to study for this year. ये इस साल एग्जाम्स में नहीं आएगा. Moreover, chapter 16, that is sustainable management of natural resources, this is for internal assessment only and this is not going to come for the year-end examination, that is for the boards. Fine. Now let us take up each chapter in detail. And the first chapter is chemical reactions and equations. और इस chapter से कुछ भी part reduce नहीं हुआ है. We have to read the entire chapter as marked here 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 of NCERT. Fine. Similarly for acid, bases and salts, there is no reduction in portion. Next is the third chapter, metals and non-metals. और ये रहा आपका पहला reduction. As you can see that basic metallurgical process and corrosion and its properties has been deleted from the portions. Means the topics 3.4 and 3.5 stands deleted. Those are occurrence of metals and corrosion. So आपको इस chapter से only 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3 ही पढ़ना है. 3.4 and 3.5 को नहीं पढ़ना है. Okay. अगला reduction है carbon and its compounds में a major reduction. इसमें देखा जाए तो major part of the chapter has been deleted. You have to study only a few topics from the chapter. Those are 4.1, 4.2, 4.2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and 2.4. मतलब 4.1 से 4.2.4 2.4 तक ही पढ़ना है. Okay? 4.2.5 से 4.5 मतलब chapter के end तक portions को delete कर दिया गया है. नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ कार्बन कंपाउंड से लेकर चैप्टर के एंड तक आपके सिलेबस में इस साल नहीं है. फाइन. सो बेसिकली द वंस मार्क्ड इन रेड आर नॉट इन द सिलेबस एंड द रेस्ट ऑल यू हैव टू स्टडी. 4.2.1 सैचुरेटेड एंड अनसैचुरेटेड कार्बन कंपाउंड्स को मैंने पिंक में इसलिए इंडिकेट मार्क किया है ताकि ये बता दूं कि इसका जो है सिर्फ और सिर्फ डिफरेंस इज डिलीटेड. Means the difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons को delete कर दिया गया है. Rest आपको ये topic को पढ़ना है. Fine. I would also like to inform you that this chapter is the base of organic chemistry. So, if you are opting for science after 10th, then this is a must-read chapter for you and will be very helpful for 11th and 12th chemistry. No reduction in portion for periodic classification of elements and life processes. Next is control and coordination and this chapter has been entirely deleted. This chapter is not in your current portion. Fine. ये chapter को आपको नहीं पढ़ना है. No reduction in portion for how do organisms reproduce. Entire chapter पढ़ना है. Next is heredity and evolution. About 50% of this chapter has been deleted. So this is the second major deletion after carbon and its compounds. Now let's see what has been deleted. Starting from 9.3 till the end of the chapter, everything is deleted. मतलब आपको सिर्फ 9.1 and 9.2 पढ़ना है. From 9.3 to 9.6 is been deleted. Fine. So 9.1 and 9.2 is to be studied for this year and 9.3 to 9.6 is not in the syllabus. Fine. No changes in light. only the derivation part is not required. That means the derivation of mirror formula and lens formula is not there for the syllabus, but the numericals will come. It doesn't mean that the numerical won't come. You have to go through the numericals, only the derivation won't come. From human eye and the colorful world, only 11.1 and 11.2 is deleted. Rest you have to study. From 11.3 to 11.6, scattering of light, that is the end of the chapter, is there in your current portion. So 11.1 and 11.2 को नहीं पढ़ना है. 11.3 से 11.6, that is the end, chapter के end तक आपको पढ़ना है. ये year आएगा. No changes in electricity and magnetic effects. इसमें कुछ parts reduce हुआ है. As you can see that 13.6 and 13.7 is deleted from the portion. And those are electric generator and domestic electric circuits. That is the household circuits. Okay. But remember, the principle on which electric generator works, that is the electromagnetic induction, is not deleted. You have to study electromagnetic induction, जो कि 13.5 में है. Okay, so from 13.1 to 13.5 you have to cover everything. The second chapter to be deleted is sources of energy, chapter number 14. So with this, two chapters, control and coordination and sources of energy, are not there in the current year syllabus. No reduction in our environment. The last chapter, number 16, sustainable management of natural resources, is only for internal assessment and not for final year end examination. Means that this chapter से बोर्ड्स में क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन ये चैप्टर आपको पढ़ना है. This chapter has to be studied and you just cannot left it out. ठीक है? So that's all for your science portion. And yes, always remain updated with the CBSE portal and your school. I hope this video will work for you. और अब आपके सारे portions related doubt clear होंगे. Thank you.